If you're tired of losing money in Forex and feeling sick to your stomach, then I've got the most incredible Forex tool that automates your trades and trades 24 hours a day for you. It's impossible to blow your account with our Forex software because of the unique hedge functionality that we've installed in the robot. So if you're interested in automating your trades and spending more time doing the things you really love to do, instead of being glued to the screen all day, then this is the tool for you. We have step-by-step tutorial videos and a Discord community to assist you in getting started. This is a copy and paste 1, 2, 3 paint by number system, easy to do and follow. This is for experienced traders as well as newbies. On our website are our interviews that I've conducted with my clients so you can hear and see what they're doing and have done in the past. There is also 9 years of audited results on our website so you can see the success of our system. So click on the Learn button now and let's get you started.